Hey guys, would you like to change your clothes color in a video just like in the video above? Grab your seat and watch this video to the end. Make sure you watch it to the end because each part of this video is helpful. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, make sure you get this app that is called KineMaster. It's going to help you edit your videos and change the clothes color in just a few minutes for free. Now guys, after getting the app, you open it and it will look like this. And guys, the app looks like this. Make sure you press on create new. Then guys, change your ratio, like the ratio of the video. You can choose YouTube, TikTok and others. Guys, you can choose your favorite. There are very many you can choose. So I'm going to choose YouTube. After, press on create. So guys, this is the video. So I'm going to change the color of this jacket. As you can see, I'm going to change the color of this jacket right here. I'm going to change it to any other color of my choice. So guys, you can take a look. That's the video. So guys, first of all, what am I going to do? First, you're going to press right here. Press right there in the corner on the menu button in the corner. Then guys, press on duplicate as layer. Right here. Press there. Then guys, it will look like this. Make sure that you expand it so that it can fit on the screen like that. So guys, if you want to change it to different colors, you're going to press right here. And then make sure that you split this video in 2 different clips. Then guys, I'm trying to make sure that I get some different clips of this video. I need 3 of them. Now guys, I have 3 clips of this video. As you can see, there are 3 clips of the video. So I'm going to change them to different colors. I'm going to change the cloth into different colors. So what am I going to do next? I'm going to press on the clip you would like to change the color first. Then guys, you scroll right here and press on chroma key right here. Press on chroma key right there. Then guys, make sure that you enable chroma key. You turn on and enable chroma. So guys, make sure that you move it perfectly so that only the face, the cloth, it's the one that stays color white. We need the cloth, we would like to change the color to stay color white. So I'm trying to move this thing so that it's only the cloth that remains color white. Just like that guys. As you can see right here, it's only the cloth that stayed color white. Then guys, after you go back, then guys, you press on, you scroll up here, and press on filter right there. Then guys, after I scroll into different filters, I'm going to press on basic, and I want to look for a nice color for this jacket. So let me try to change it to color yellow. As you can see, color orange. It's now color orange, as you can see guys. So guys, that is how you do it. Then after I press right here, you press right here so that you can go back. Then guys, I want to change this one also. I want to change the color of this one also. As you can see, make sure you keep the video to the end. Again, I'm going to press on chroma key right there. Then I enable it. After enabling it, I have to move, of course, so that it's only the jacket that changes, that stays color white. So guys, after, you're going to press again right there and look for filter again. look for filter again, and I want to change this clip to another cloth color. So guys, I'm looking for another cool color. Let me try out this one. It's not so cool, so let me look for another nice color. So guys, you can take a look. The cloth is changing to different colors. As you can see, it's changing to different colors. So let me just leave it green, as you can see right here. As you can see right here, let me leave it color green. So guys, this is how my video looks like after me changing the cloth color. This is how it looks like. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. That's how you can change the cloth color in the video. Make sure you like the video guys, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.